goal of San Agustin is to become one of the accredited schools and one of the top-notch schools in Negros Island region and the Philippines. In order to do this, we need to tweak in our different departments and introduce different accreditations and apply for this. And at the same time, our linkages shall be improved and the different integration of AI or technology in the different programs and classroom instructions in Colegio San Agustin Bacolod.
Before, we are using a blackboard and whiteboard, but now we have a IFP, so it's very convenient to us teachers to write and also to the students.
I appreciate how TeachmentX enhances my classroom management. Its user-friendly interface and interactive tools create a more dynamic learning experience for my students, making my lessons more visually appealing and collaborative. In addition, its ability to integrate multimedia seamlessly allows for better students' participation, which is essential in today's digital learning environment. Students are more eager to participate, ask questions, and interact with the content, leading to more engaging and effective learning experience.
Interactive Flat Panel or IFP really helps my daughter's performance in school, especially in academic. And I really noticed that with Juliana, every time when we study her lessons, she keeps on asking what is the meaning of this and this. But this time, she really understands her lessons very well. And in fact, she can study her lesson by herself. And it actually transforms traditional classroom into dynamic tech-savvy learning environments, which I think it is helpful for the students to visualize and explore more about their lessons.
While the transition may have presented initial challenges, TeachMet has been a game changer for us. This distinctive synergy between the educational technologies through the interactive flat panel and the learning management system has allowed us to make our classes more dynamic, engaging, and effective. So it's really a perfect fit for our context, enhancing overall teaching learning experience without unnecessary complexity.